Hello guys, I hope you all are fine. In this tutorial I am going to solve Leetcode Weekly Contest 271, this problem, Sum of Subarray Ranges. Okay, so this is basically the description of the problem, and what we need to do. An array is given, integer array, and what we need to do, you need to return sum of all subarray. So this is how it will work. Like first we need to find the subarray 1. This is subarray is basically a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within an array. So the first array subarray will be 1, and second will be 1, this 1 with itself, and then 1 with 2, and 1 with 3. 1 2 3, 1 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, next element will be like 2 to itself, and 2 and 3, 2 itself and 2 and 3, and the last one is 3. So this is how the sub array of this array will be calculated. Then what we need to do, we need to find the largest element and the smallest element, this one. For this subarray, the largest and the smallest is same, so the largest is 1 and smallest is also 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And for this one also, largest and smallest both will be same, and in this array the largest will be 2 and the smallest will be 1, and this one. And for the last one, the largest will be, smallest will be 1 and the largest will be 3. So once we calculate the difference of largest and smallest one, then we in the end we will sum all the differences, and this will be basically the sum of all subarrays. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this problem. So we will write this function subarray, okay, function just a moment. Okay, so PHP function, it will take nums array as argument. Okay, and let's see, we will call this function and subarray ranges. Okay, so for an example, the first array will be 1 2 3, array 1 2 3. Okay, so this is how the array will look. And now what we will do, we will first access each element, zero. I will execute it till the length of the array, die plus plus. Okay, and then we will run another loop. That loop will start from the value of I, and it will execute till the length of the array, j plus plus. Okay, so what we need to do, in the we will first define the maximum element which one is the maximum element. So we will first assign the maximum and minimum will be the first element. Max and min will be the first element of the array. Okay, then what we will do, we update the value of max and min. So now the max will be max and whatever the element of the value is now. Okay, so for the first one, when the loop will be executed, 1 and 1, it will have a maximum value of 1, and min, for the min we will also calculate the min value. Here it will be j, again j here. Okay, so we have calculated the maximum and minimum value. Now what we will do, we will calculate the sum. Here we will declare sum of all. So sum of all is basically sum of plus equal to is basically the difference between maximum and minimum values. Okay, and in the end we will return the sum of all. So when we execute this one, it should return 4. There is an error. Let's check. Line number 8 says where is nums. Yeah, here you can see it returns 4. When we give another argument, it should also return 4. Okay, and the last argument, it should return 59. As you can see, it shows the correct output. So this is basically the solution of this problem. The complexity of this algorithm will be order of n square, since we are running 2 loops, order of n square. So that's all I have in this tutorial. Thank you so much.